Hi, and welcome to zipBoard. You can invite collaborators to the project by adding their email addresses or by sharing invited links with the user. To do this, you can select a particular project in your dashboard, click on Collaborators, and from here, you can add collaborators by adding their email address. You can add many collaborators at once. You can also add a message that you need to send to the invitee while inviting him or her to collaborate to the zipBoard project. Then click on the Send Invite button, or you can share the copy invite link to the user whom you want to add a collaborator to the project. Invited user can use their email link or invite link to log into zipBoard. Please note that invited link is valid only for 7 days.